Now, this one I know is going to get a couple of people mad, but we're definitely going to talk about how I feel personally when people tell me I'm a fake Jamaican. With my journey in embracing my Jamaican culture and learning more about where my family is from and where I call my home, it seems nobody is more offended or feel the need to say something negative more than Jamaicans living abroad. Not all of them, but some of them. Don't go to Jamaica, it's too dangerous. You're not Jamaican, so why do you care so much? Yeah, Yankee, I try to keep up. And so much more. I always ask them why it bothers them so much. I get it. You left your home for your own reasons, and I respect that. Why does me believing I can make a change offend you? Would it make you feel better if I gave up on Jamaica the way you did? Why can't you work to make a change? Why can't you be a partner in the journey to uplift Jamaica instead of a negative person on the sideline screaming? Does my love for Jamaica make you feel attacked for the little you do? Yeah, you were born and raised there, but that wasn't by choice. You chose to leave and turn your back on Jamaica though. Just looking back over your shoulder occasionally to see if it got any better without making any effort to help. Now my love for Jamaica offends you. I'm not trying to, nor can I take away anything from the fact that you grew up in Jamaica. I wish I could have grown up there. I wish my patois was better. I wish I had the shot. I wish I had the primary and high school experience and the stories to tell. But I don't. And I can't change what happened in the past, but I can change the outcome of my future. So this fake Jamaican is going to keep working hard every day to make life here and give my children the chance at a life that I never had. It's just that simple. Not asking for anybody's approval. I just want people to really look into themselves when they tell somebody a negative thing about Jamaica and what kind of effects that possibly could have.